Newly renovated police headquarters where they for Imo State. My people, they don't burn and down. Burn it down. Hey, burn it down. I bet don't look me like that. Oh, I know they support violence, but he reach level to sing. So I singer. Come beat me if you feel beat me. I beg, according to matter wey reach me, they say these people they drive inside this police station with 4 cars. They start they shoot for air. Omo, if you not see shooting, now so the police people too say, hey, no be we go carry lasso. They too they start they shoot. Almost see bullet party. Every corner bullet, every corner bullet. And one of the police woman where they this place where they talk about, they even end up they carry and go hospital because she injure herself. Before I not even know the place where we they talk about. As I can't dig deep, my people. Now the same police station. I don't know if I mean if I ever remember that NSAS period where they go destroy this police at the police station with that. After they destroy her for NSAS, they can't rebuild them. The thing can't look nice. Now so these people just say no peace for the wicked. Say they must burn and die. I bet see my hand oh. Hey, no day my palm. I stand for peace. You understand? I stand for peace. But as long as say Nigeria government, they use police, they use military to harm poor people, to harm innocent people. No, this is just the beginning. Because people were supposed to protect us now, they use them to their own advantage. So who go come protect us? Who go come protect us? Already president, politicians, all those people, military people, they don't already get money, they get power, they get fame. We the citizens, we need these police people to support us. But now they don't carry them to their own side, and now they use them to even hurt us. Who no like better thing? I beg me, I no want die. No, because now Nigerians don't tire for this government matter. They don't tire. So may nobody look me with any evil eye. Me, I just in fact bring this boo-boo outside. Bring her outside. How far? Oga at the top. You don't know now. You dey very happy. You dey very. You are in fact. You have succeeded. Your plan don't work. Finish. You don't get the thing where they look for. We accept you with our heart. We put you on top that seat with, in fact, with hope. Say you go push us forward. You go move things for this country positively. See where you do. You don't follow our hand. Finish. See how you don't even leave us. Mr. President, my foot. I better remove them for them, make I even see road. No wonder. People now don't they activate a means of survival. Anyhow, when they say they feel survive, now they survive. Nobody they wait for any police, nobody they wait for any this one. Because if you they talk say now, you they go report case, or you be your name. Nobody go even attend to you. Nobody go get time say they come fill form, write statement, write this one, write. Una just they joke. Una never even start. Police people, una never start. For you where the hospital, pele o, pele, ema binu, you understand? Now, my people, we now go see how these people go move heaven. They go move earth. They go move. In fact, they go move the whole world. Just because of this case, so that they go find out who be these boys. They no care. They feel even spend all their money just to find these people where do this thing. But the time where these same police people they harass citizens, they kidnap, they rape people, nobody move one finger. Everybody just they do like say nothing concern them. Hey, kilo call me, not concern me, not concern me. But now it concern una. I know say many of una expect me to say sorry, una expect me to talk many things about police. Because I know they support violence, but una see this matter. Every day they talk this thing. Police people, karma is real. Karma is real. I don't come here to come sympathize with you now. Wait till concern me. I just come here, come tell my people this matter. Karma is real. So this one say una just start. Now just the beginning. If una lie, no change una ways. Now when they burn all the police stations, una eye go clear. No change una ways. The same way una they feel Una dey feel oga at the top when una dey harass citizens, una dey kidnapping matter go come, una go even free. No, wetin be that case wey just happen? They even free that man wey rape 10-year-old girl. He rape her for nyash. They free the man because of money. Other one wey una dey do, una no dey see am. Now they don't come born feeling una police station. Una dey expect me make I come dey tell you na sorry. Sorry. So in fact, not only sorry, na sorry anyo. I bet my people na the matter be this. So hey, I don't dey laugh since, but I no be wicked person. I just can't drop this matter. You understand? So that police people go get sense. No be every time. See, treat people the way you want me to treat you. Very simple. So drop those comments for that comment section. I will reply now one by one. If you never subscribe, wait till now the way for just click on that thing. You understand? Support your girl. And make sure say you share this video. They're very important because these people need hear me. Yeah, so that we go dey help each other. Stay tuned for our next story. They don't catch am o, only thief. This guy don dey thief phones for 14 months. Ask me how many phones? 240 phones. 240, 14 months or more. This one no be small thing. I don't sit down make this calculation. My head sef wan burst. They say this matter happen for wetin they call that place. Yeah, no Iworo. Una know am. You understand? So inside downfall. For now, we don't know where to be down for now. Waiting at the call throw for Ghana. Now normal bus, public transport. So this woman sit down inside. Oh, they press in phone, the car they move. You understand? Before you know am, now so this guy just drag the phone. Oh Lord, he started run. But thank God say RRS they there. Those now another set of what did they call them? Is vigilante or be police? I don't know. So now those ones can't start they pursue them. They finally catch the guy. Now there this matter come out. Oh, the boy they beat her. Can't they confess? Say yes. So say in 14 months, him don't carry 240 phones. Oh my people. I calculate this thing. Oh, now be say. This man don dey thief. He dey thief one phone every 2 days. One phone every 2 days. See job. The country is hard. Omo, this guy career na phone thievery. Na in career be that. Normally we dey go school, they learn law, medicine, all those things. Person just sit down, balance, strategize. Say na stealing, you want it steal. My brother, let me say now, I just imagine this boy lifestyle. Every day, you know, say if they wake up as we will get job, we know the jobless, you understand? We don't know how our life be. If we wake up, we go bath, dress up, we say we they go work. And this one, can't imagine say they stay with your girlfriend. So we go bath, eat breakfast, come kiss the girl. Mwah, baby, I'm off to work. I'm going to the office. The girl too go tell her, good luck, baby. You don't know how those things. No, you say na thief. Na thief, they go thief. Hey, professions they this life. But if you not choose the good one, you go end up like one. I can't even talk. I beg. Nigeria court of law. Because this matter, I no bring am here so that now they do mini money move. I know even 1 year, 2 years, 3 years case, 2 years. The better charge I won't make una charge this case. See, look inside this case, enter the into of the matter, and deal with this guy. I don't want here because una too they play with some kind heavy things. This one no be toy matter. We they talk about 240 phones. You understand? You know how they treat all those criminals, heavy ones. Put all those cables, connect them to him body, electrocute them, in fact, I just think of many things where we go even because our people not be small thing. 14 months. Assuming they do better work for this 14 months. Now only God know you for don't save better money. And as they see this man like this, it don't look like a person where they in a hurry to change. So because this one will tell you I'll not do it again. Now lie. He go do am, he go continue to the do am. You understand? So now, make una sit down, balance this man, calculating punishment, and do am very, very well. You understand? Because now he's not stealing. You know, go tell me say you know the thing, He's stealing, and this one now, if you not even say you know go carry and go prison, e no go still change. Even inside that prison, this guy go dey thief people bathing soap, he go dey thief toothpaste, he go dey thief all those, because as phone no dey there wey he go thief, he go look for another things wey go come dey thief. Una know wetin be 240 phones? Be like say una sit down dey joke o. This one no be joking matter. People don cry, people don no, and we no dey take this thing funny at all. 240 na you never even sit down say okay make you open shop. I dey sure say even shop owners, all those people wey dey sell phones, I dey sure say these people never even get 240 phones for their shop. Some people no even get am. Na in this one just sit say e go dey take am. Power bank even add on top. Una sure say no be jazz this guy dey do like this? Because e no normal o. E no normal. Hi, Nigeria. And una go dey come outside now, come dey look for people wey do dreadlocks, wey do tattoo, and una go dey come dey classify them as criminals, robbers. This one no get tattoo. This one no get dreadlocks. You know, which other thing you want think? See am, total gentleman. If you even see yourself, you go even kneel down, greet am, you go worship am, because it looks clean. Na so they do. Everybody now don dey come out with your own strategy. So biko, jail am fast. In fact, faster than the fastest, jail am, because I no wan hear say one mumu governor go come outside now, go dey bring a rehabilitation matter, make you rehabilitate am, make you do this one, you go come bring am money. Na there our money dey go. All our money na there dey go. Imagine governor, all these politicians, now wetin dey do? They go come outside, come dey reward criminals. Person wey suppose enter prison go dey talk rehabilitation matter. This man look like small pikin. Rehabilitation na for younger age. Abi wetin dey call them? People wey dey no dey of age. You go know say that one something really dey worry them. Say na from no be say they wan do am on their own, something they get problem. Now those people na dey go rehabilitation. This man is, in fact, he's 100% sane. So na no go tell me any rehabilitation matter. So we go carry am fast. I no wan hear anything. And for una politicians, I no say una dey hear me. I no wan hear say una hand enter this matter. This guy must be arrested. No bring any rehabilitation story here. Citizens go dey suffer. Even the citizens wey dey work hard, people wey get the rights, they go still dey suffer. They hungry, everything. But una go dey carry money. They give criminals better treatment. Because now this one now supposed to tell us say it's very simple. This country is governed by criminals, because it's only a criminal that can support a criminal. So that is the answer. Not only criminals they govern Nigeria. People. So now, imagine this thing wey this guy do. 240 phones, 14 months. 14 months now waiting is equal to 1 year. And as I calculate myself, it can't land to the period where everybody lockdown, everybody dey inside house, they no dey allow people to dey comot. So if this guy get liver, can't thief 240 phones when people no dey allowed to dey move. Now be say if we dey allowed to move, this guy for don open shopping plaza full of phones. Now be the thing now. Hey, wahala dey o. Abeg my people, make una start dey drop those comments for that comment section. Very, very important. If you agree with me, drop am there. If you no agree with me, because I know say some of you get 10 heads, still drop am there. I go reply una one by one. And make sure say una share this video, because politicians need hear me. And this very ole thief, he need hear me too. Drop your comments, share this video, click on that notification bell. If not, you go dey miss everything wey we drop for you. Stay tuned for our next story.